In life's difficult moments, time becomes more important. Sign up for direct deposit on Colonial Life for policyholders to get your benefits quickly and securely. First, log in or register on Colonial Life for policyholders. To set up direct deposit, open an existing claim by clicking on the claim number. If you have multiple claims, you'll need to turn on direct deposit for each one. Under Payment Delivery Methods, click the Use Direct Deposit button so that it turns green. To keep your personal payment information secure, we use multi-factor authentication, MFA, when you set up or change your direct deposit preferences. We'll send an authentication code to your email address. Enter that code in the pop-up window to continue. Alternatively, you can choose to authenticate by text, Authenticator app, or biometric identification, like Face ID. Then enter or update your bank information by clicking the Edit link. Please allow up to 48 hours for changes to be updated in our system. You'll receive an email confirmation that your direct deposit information has been updated. You can see all the payments that have been made for your claim in the Payment History window. Using direct deposit on Colonial Life for policyholders is fast and secure, with bank-grade encryption to protect your payments. When you need them most, your Colonial Life benefits are available whenever and wherever you need them. Log in to get started at Colonial Life for policyholders.